Hey you guys, so very quickly what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Photoshop and I'm going to show you how to change the color of something just very briefly. This is one that I already did. I changed the fingers color because it was a little lighter, and it is very easy, very simple steps if you have Photoshop. Let me see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because this one is already done, I'm going to go to File. I'm going to click on New. And right here, I usually have my pixels set at 3200 by 3300 or 3200 by 3200. It depends on what you want. And then for the color mode, you can do CMYK color and don't color manage on the color profile, 8-bit. And you could keep the background transparent if you want to, but that's all up to you for your preference. So to bring the image in, I'm going to go to File, Place Emmed. And this is the original image. I'm going to bring that in. It's a PNG. You can size it to whatever size you want. This little tool here is basically the transform tool. It'll maintain uniform if you have it toggled, but if you untoggle it, you're able to resize it and adjust it and different things like that. But if you wanted to stay the same and just a little bigger, you just go ahead and do that. And you press the check mark here. So as you can see, unlike the other image, it is a different color. If I go back here, you see it's brown on the fingers. So what you want to do is you want to right click your layers panel and you want to rasterize your layer. This is just one way you can change the color. There are definitely different options you can use inside of Photoshop. So you're going to go to Image here at the top, click Adjustments, go to Replace Color, and this here is going to pop up. At this point, you'll be able to click on, what you want changed. And of course, it'll adjust different things like that. So now you see that this is the image here. You can change the fuzziness and it'll show the image a little clearer. So here we are with this color. So as you can see, I clicked the second square down here. So now her fingers are brown, which that is a good color there. It just depends on the shade you're going. Like say you're creating a shirt for a customer and they're darker, you can make it as dark as you need to, or as dark as your customer wants to, or whatever you're doing. You can adjust it to the color that you need. So let's just say we want to go with a darker shade skin tone. We can do that there. And you just press OK. And as you can see, it did not, let me go back, edit, undo, move. It did not distort anything. And it's still basically like an HD image for you. So you can do that and you can size them accordingly and use it how you need to. Now, that will basically be it for color changing in Photoshop and using it as a rasterized layer if that's what you want to do. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I can create a longer video if need be.